I welcome you all to Good Morning page. Okay, so today we're going to concentrate on this question. So let's see what this question is saying. Okay, it is saying it is given that angle, this means that angle, okay, angle PQR below is a right angled, okay, it's right angled. Here is the diagram for this question, is right angled, okay, at R. This is R, which is making it to be right angled. Okay, QR is 4 centimeters. We've seen this. And tan QPR, okay, tan QPR is 3/4. Okay, find sin PQR. Now, the principle you are going to use is we are going to remind ourselves from this simple word, okay, SOHCAHTOA. So now, if this angle which is here for tan, it is opposite, adjacent should be here. So opposite, we know that it is 4. So adjacent, so tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So our adjacent here, it is 3. Now, for us to know, okay, 3 centimeters. For us to know this hypotenuse, the longest side is the hypotenuse. What is this hypotenuse? We square the sum of these two sides. This squared this plus this squared. So 9, okay, 3 squared, which is 9, plus 4 squared, which is 16, okay, will be equal to this. Let's take it as x, okay, x squared. So x squared will be equal to 25. So x should be equal to 5. Remember distance, there is no negative distance. So here we have 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeters. Since we know that PQ is 5 centimeters, now let's calculate this angle. They are asking us to calculate sin PQR. Okay, PQR, this angle here is the angle we are looking for. This angle. So we are going to use SOHCAHTOA because we are dealing with sine. If it's car, we are dealing with cos. If it is TOA, we are dealing with tan. So we are dealing with the sine. So we're going to say sine, which angle? PQ. Okay, I'll write it from here. So sine PQ, R will be equal to, so you come here, so it is opposite. Where this angle is facing, that is the opposite side we go. Okay, so this side, this angle, it is facing which side? It is facing this side. Therefore, our opposite is 3 over, what is our hypotenuse here? What is our hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side, which is 5, okay, over 5. So therefore, this is our final answer for this question. Okay, I'll wrap quickly to go to the second one. See the second question. Okay, the second question reads, okay, the ratio of the surface area of 2 cubes is this. So this is the ratio of surface area of these 2 cubes. Okay, what is the volume of a smaller cube? If the volume of a bigger cube is 500 cubic centimeters, so it's like we have a bigger cube against a smaller cube. Okay, they are saying that the surface area of the 2 cubes is this. So meaning this surface area is for the smaller one, which is 16, and that 25 is for the bigger one. Okay, so this is surface area. Remember the units for surface area, it is centimeter squared. It is centimeter squared. Now, for them to come up with this, meaning they square this number. Now, we need to know the radius, the actual ones, before they square these numbers. What were the actual answers and what were the actual values? So, for us to know the actual values, we are going to say it is the root of all these. The root of 25, square root of 25 to square root of 16, which is giving us 5 to, okay, square root of 16, okay, for the square root of 16, that is 4, okay. That is our 4. So these are our original ones. Okay, we are going to use these same original ones to find now for volume. Now we are looking for volume of this. Now volume as the units which are centimeter cube. Now for us to know the volume of this, we have to cube them. Now for them to have this surface area, they have to square these. They have to square these original ones to come up with these. Now for us to know volume, we have to cube these two. So that if we want the original, we are going to say what is the cube root of the answers we are going to find. So what is 3 cubed? So it's like 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, which is 125. 2, 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Okay, we've known the volumes. So we are going to use the ratio. So we will start with the bigger one on top, 125 over this is by, okay, 64, which is equal to, what is the volume of a bigger one? We know that it is 500. 500 over x. Okay, 500 over x. Over x, so it is 125 over 64. Excuse me, that's not supposed to be 65. That's supposed to be 64. Okay, giving us 500 over x for the smaller one. We are looking for the smaller one. So we are now comparing the volumes. For the volumes now. So we do some cross multiplication. So we will cross multiply. We have 125x equals to 500 multiplied by. Now, if you don't want to confuse yourself, you can just say, oh, what is 64? It is 4 to the power 3. So times 4 times 4 times 4. Since this is paper 1, if you don't want to confuse yourself, since this is paper 1, okay, again times 4, okay, that's your 64 here. Now divide by 125, again divide here by 125. So 125 is like 5 to the power, it is 5 to the power 3. So it's 5 times 5 times 5. Therefore you can say, okay, what is 5 into 5? 1. 5 into 500, it is 100. Okay, it is 100. Again 5 here, 1. 5 into 100, 5 into 100, that is 5 into 10, that is 2, into 0, 0, so that is 20. Okay, again 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 20, that is 4. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have x equals to, because these have cancelled, okay, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Now this expression comes now simple. This expression has become now simple. Now it is easy to multiply. It is like 4 times 4, which is 16, times 4, okay, again times 4. So therefore the volume of the, what is the smaller one, should be equal to, you multiply this. So it's like 4 times 4, here we have 16, there is 16 here, 16 multiplied by, again here there is 16. So it's like 16 times 16, and we all know that 16 times 16 is 256. Okay, let's prove. Okay, that is 16 times 16. So 6 times 6, that is 36. 6, we carry 3. 6 times 1, that is 6, plus 3, that is 9. Okay, we start here. So 6 times 1, that is 6. 1 times 6, 1 times 1, that is 1. Wait, 0 here. So here plus this, which is 6. 9 plus 6, that is 15. 5, we carry 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So therefore the volume, as usual, it is 256 Remember volume as units. Volume as units, okay? Volume as units, which is centimeter cube. So this is the final answer. So that's how you go about this question, okay? That's how you go about this question, okay? I have to call it a day. Stay blessed.